Today, I'll be taking us through on how to treat ulcer completely from our body. Ulcer is one of the most common illness in our society as of today. And many people have been carrying ulcer for years without knowing how to get it off their body completely. Kindly follow as we take this journey together. The first thing you need to know is the meaning of ulcer. What is ulcer? Ulcer is an open sore on the skin or on the lining walls in the stomach. The symptoms of ulcer are chest pain, stomach pain, hotness of the stomach, back pains, waist pain, or pains that radiate through your whole body. And what are the major causes of this ulcer? We only have two causes of ulcer. The first cause of ulcer is called Helicobacter pylori. Helicobacter pylori is a bacterial infection that affects the body system. The second cause of ulcer is too much intake of non-steroid anti-inflammatory drugs, e.g. diclofenac, ibuprofen, naproxen sodium, etc. And how can we know the cause of your own ulcer? How can I know the cause of my ulcer? Because if I don't know the cause, it will be very difficult for me to treat it. What you need to do is to locate a nearby medical laboratory center and ask for H. pylori test to be done for you. If they conduct this H. pylori test and is positive, that means the cause of your ulcer is Helicobacter pylori, which is the infection. And if they conduct this test and is negative, that means the cause of your ulcer is the NSAIDs, which is the intake of non-steroid anti-inflammatory drugs. And how do we treat this ulcer from our body completely? After knowing the cause of your ulcer, 1. If your own is caused by the Helicobacter pylori, which is the infection, the first thing you need to start doing is to start boosting your immune level. You have to start eating good foods. You have to start taking fruits. You have to start taking much water always. You have to start taking enough food and don't stay where or a place that is not clean. You have to increase your hygiene level also. You have to bathe regularly. You have to take care of your environments. You have to wash the water that you take and the food that you take and make sure they are clean. Then the second step you need to take, if you discover that your ulcer is caused by the infection, which is the Helicobacter pylori, is that you still have to ask the laboratory scientist to conduct the test called antibiotic susceptibility test, which is to find out the kind of antibiotic that your body is sensitive to. Many people are taking antibiotics anyhow because they just know that antibiotic is the cure to bacterial infection. Meanwhile, it's not all antibiotic that your body can be sensitive to. Your body can be resistant to some of the antibiotics that you are taking, but you don't know. And most of the time, many people are taking drugs often and they are saying they are not working. No. The reason why they are not working is that your body is not sensitive to them and you did not conduct the test to know exactly what your body is sensitive to and the drug that your body is resistant to. So when you go for this test, they are going to take your sample and conduct the sensitivity test. And when the result comes out, they will now prescribe the main antibiotic that can treat that ulcer infection completely from your body system. But if you discover that the cause of your ulcer is the non-steroid anti-inflammatory drugs, that means you have done the H. pylori test and it's negative. Then you have to do the following to get the ulcer completely off your body. One, you must stop taking those drugs. You have to stop taking the non-steroid anti-inflammatory drugs that I mentioned earlier, which are ibuprofen, diclofenac, naproxen, etc. The second step you need to take is that you have to visit a nearby pharmacy or visit a consultant to give you antacid, because too much of those drugs also have increased the acid level in your body system. So they have to give you an antacid to neutralize the acid level in your body system. And don't buy any antacid anyhow. You have to visit a consultant to guide you on the best and recommendable antacid that you can take for your health. The second step you need to take is that you have to avoid gastric drinks. Drinks like Coke, alcohol, or any kinds of drinks that when you open, you hear the drink speaking. So you must avoid those drinks if you have ulcer. 2, you must avoid sour food that have stayed in your house or in your kitchen for days. You must avoid eating them. You must avoid taking fermented food or drinks if you want to get ulcer completely off your body. And you must not allow your stomach to be empty, because empty stomach can also increase the gastric level or the acid level in the stomach. So you must do the following, and when you continue to do them for days, or for sometimes you discover that you begin to regain your body back to its normal position. So if you have ulcer or you are battling with ulcer, kindly follow what I have taught you. Do exactly what I told you, and in the next few days to come, you discover that the ulcer has gone completely. If you find this interesting, please don't forget to share. And if you have any question that you want to ask, please kindly ask at the comment section while I answer you there. Thank you so much. Say no to ulcer. You must regain your health back again. Thank you and God bless you. Bye. I remain your brother, Abimaja Monday. Thank you.